If you need to cancel a pending Venmo transaction, follow these simple steps to ensure the transaction is stopped before it completes. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transactions. Step 2. Navigate to your transactions. Tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of all your recent transactions, including any pending ones. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through your activity feed to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly. Step 4. Select the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This will open a screen with information about the transaction, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Look for the cancel option on the transaction details screen. Tap it to confirm that you want to cancel the transaction. You should receive a notification confirming the cancellation. Once you've completed these steps, the pending transaction will be cancelled. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo support for assistance.